Get ready for some fantastic fun. Today we're drawing the cutest land shark ever. Jeff, grab your sketch and let's make some magic. Let's start with the eyes so bright, big and round, what a sight. Looking up with a playful stare, Jeff's so cute beyond compare. Did you know Jeff is a land shark? He loves to run, not just swim. Hey there, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club. Now we make his face so round, soft and chubby, not too sound. A friendly shark, not one to fear, smiling big from ear to ear. Fun fact, Jeff was first seen in Marvel Comics with Deadpool and Gwenpool. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button, more cute drawings coming soon. Time to draw his mouth so wide, always grinning, full of pride. Add a tongue, pink and small, Jeff's just ready to play with all. Did you know Jeff's not just cute, he's super loyal and loves his Marvel friends. If you love Jeff, drop a like and share this video with friends. Shark-like teeth, not to mean, he's the friendliest shark you've seen. Just a few small and neat, for munching snacks oh so sweet. Guess what? Jeff loves eating sandwiches, even though sharks don't. Having fun? Subscribe for more fun characters like Jeff. Time to draw him, his little legs, short and funny like tiny pegs. Now at fins 1 and 2, Jeff can wave and swim with you. Jeff is a shark with legs, but he still loves the ocean too. Love this drawing? Tap like to let us know. Almost done, let's add his tail. Short and wiggly, never frail. It helps him run, it helps him play. A happy shark in every way. Fun fact, Jeff's tail wiggles when he's excited, just like a puppy. Don't forget, share this video so more friends can draw Jeff too. Wow, you did an amazing job! Jeff looks fantastic! Give yourself a big cheer! Now show your drawing, let's all smile! More fun videos coming in style. Like, share, and subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club. See you next time for more awesome drawings! See you next time for more awesome drawings!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.